The winter storm in North America is a winter storm that has affected most of Canada and the United States. The U.S. National Weather Service called it a once-in-a-generation storm. The storm covered an area of 3,200 kilometers from Texas to Quebec. The storm began forming on December 21, 2022, intensifying over the northern Great Plains and also affecting the Rocky Mountains and the Midwest. The next day, the Weather Channel reported that it could turn into a bomb cyclone. On December 23, the National Weather Service confirmed that a blizzard was observed in Cincinnati, Ohio, but there was no warning. Snowstorms raged in the southern half of the Niagara region, including the city of Fort Erie, on December 23 and 24, which led to a state of emergency in the region. Many cars are stuck on roads that have stopped being cleared by snow plows. Weather warnings affected about 200 million people as cold air masses descended from the northern plains, causing air temperatures to plummet. Christmas 2022 could be the coldest in the United States in the last 3 decades. Coastal areas of New England, New York, and New Jersey are experiencing coastal flooding. Up to 89 centimeters of precipitation will fall in the city of Buffalo, New York. Visibility due to snowfall in the city is almost zero. Meteorologists urge local residents not to go outside if possible and to refrain from traveling by car. In the United States, the storm killed at least 71 people in 16 U.S. states and 1 Canadian province. Many of the dead died as a result of accidents related to the storm, including car accidents and poisoning from exhaust fumes from cars and heaters that were used indoors to keep warm. So, one of the districts of Texas reported more than 300 cases of exhaust poisoning. In North Carolina, a blizzard caused a tornado that killed 3 people and injured 10 others. 4 people died as a result of a bus rollover in the Canadian province of British Columbia. 52 more were hospitalized. The cause of the accident was the icing of the road. Some parts of the United States are experiencing power outages as power lines have collapsed as a result of weather events. According to the power outage website, by the night of December 23 to 24, power outages affected more than 1 million households and businesses. Texas Governor Greg Abbott banned the export of natural gas until February 21 and called the situation with power outages unacceptable. About 2 million people were left without electricity in the state. He called for an investigation into the actions of the Texas company responsible for local power grids to find out the causes of the incident. He also said that the company needs to be reformed and its leaders should resign. Food manufacturer Tyson Foods has suspended operations at some of its plants due to the storm. Many delivery services, including Amazon, FedEx, UPS, and USPS, had severe delays at their hubs. In southern Ontario, most school boards, including those in eastern Ottawa, closed schools on December 23. According to the website FlightAware.com, thousands of flights have been cancelled in the United States and Canada. In particular, 5,700 domestic flights were cancelled in the United States on December 23 alone. It happened the day before Christmas. Airports are busy at this time. In Canada, WestJet, the national airline, cancelled all flights at Toronto International Airport, the country's largest and busiest airport, on the same day. As of December 24, more than 30% of departing and arriving flights were cancelled at Toronto Airport. The Canadian Railway Company Via Rail faced problems related to weather conditions on December 23 and 24. 9 trains in the Quebec City-Windsor corridor were delayed due to falling trees and branches on the rails or on the trains themselves. Passengers on some trains were stuck near Cobourg for more than 18 hours. On the afternoon of December 24, a freight train derailed, forcing Via Rail to cancel all flights between Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. In the New York metropolitan area, trains faced delays due to flooding. The Long Island Railroad was closed in both directions between Penn Station and Long Beach due to flash flooding. According to the National Weather Service, in some areas, being outdoors can lead to frostbite in a matter of seconds.